Okay, so after several hours of sanding, this side's only 40 grit right now. This side is 80 grit. But after sanding all day, she looks way, way better. I mean, obviously I still have quite a bit of work to do. But compared to what it was like earlier, it's much better. Looks happy. So next week, get back on to finishing the dash on this side. And then I found a floor that I want. Then I'm gonna order that. That's still not gonna be till very late in the year, but I needed to protect her from rusting anymore. I'm really, really happy with it. She's actually gonna be a baby blue color. It's gonna be satin baby blue, and then metal flake and silver leaf, things like that. But yeah, she's gonna be baby blue. Just a matter of time.